Hi there. Once I was teaching accounting to MBA student, and as it was the first lectures, I would in fact I had started talking about some theoretical knowledge about accounting, like the history of accounting, like the accounting sitters, like the accounting principles and accounting rules and accounting gaps. And then I also announce in the class that in this course, because it is a little bit advanced and you are a little bit mature and reach to this stage, we have to know the reason behind recognizing and recording and reporting the financial information. So that's mean I'm going to introduce some theoretical knowledge before I start the practical knowledge of each chapters. Anyhow, at the end of the lectures, I know that's like normal, like any other lectures. Some students like it, some students they did not like it. But both the student who agree with me or disagree with me or like the subject or not like the subject, they came to this point. They said, we are very shocked and we are very surprised. And it is the first time we heard about this information in accounting, this knowledge of accounting. Yes, we know about the principles and the rules, and we know about the accounting sector, but nobody told us, even at the BS stage, that why we debit this account and why we credit this account and why this account should be calculated in this method and why it should be or in this statement, not on that statement. So why it is in the asset, not in the liability, and etc. All these. I said, this is the main problem. We reach to this stage, we get an A's. We feel that we are perfect, we are accountant, even we can teach accounting, but we don't know the theoretical point of view of accounting. So therefore, as I always say, please keep in your mind, accounting is not only a science. That means I will teach you this problem, you will study it, and maybe you solve another problem in the same way, but in the same, beside its size, it is also an art. We have to use our talent. We have to use our brain. We have to use our argument, disagreement. Okay? Why we do this? It's not only a matter of debiting and crediting or reporting this financial statement, even if we write the notes to the accounting statement and explaining the notes, to our user of financial statement, but why? Always keep in your mind why you are doing, and especially when even if you are, let's say, a junior bookkeeper, okay, and if you're passed to you, for example, to record the transaction. When you are recording the transaction, always ask yourself why I'm doing this. So what is the idea behind it? That will create in your mind an accounting theory. So therefore, I recommend the students to search for books. Nowadays, there are so many books in the library, and the books, they said, or it's about the accounting theory or theoretical accounting. Some of them are a little bit advanced. They call it positive accounting theory. But if you keep, and of course, I know it's in all courses, they cannot teach you all these theoretical. You have to read yourself. That will help you. Well, even if your course is a practical, you have to go to the library or the bookshop and buy this book to know and to understand the idea behind the recognition and reporting of the accounts, of the business transaction, of the financial, transaction, about the financial information, about the accounting, about bookkeeping, about even, as I say, the principle and the rules. So that will help you, and that will make you a good accountant. Thank you very much.